Leo's new school. Leo is 7 years old. Leo goes to a new school. He feels nervous. He does not know anyone. He wants to find new friends. He sits alone in the classroom. He looks at the other kids. They play and laugh together. Leo feels sad and shy. A boy comes to Leo. The boy's name is Sam. Sam says, "Hello, what is your name?" Leo says, "My name is Leo." Sam says, "Do you want to play?" Leo says, "Yes, I do." Leo and Sam play together. They play with a red ball. Leo smiles and feels happy. Now Leo has a new friend. Now that you have listened to the story, learning English with short stories is a great way to improve your listening, reading, and speaking skills at the same time. Now, to make sure you understand the story well, let's answer some simple questions together. What is the boy's name? The boy's name is Leo. How old is Leo? Leo is 7 years old. Where does Leo go? Leo goes to a new school. How does Leo feel at the new school? Leo feels nervous. Does Leo know anyone at the new school? No, Leo does not know anyone. What does Leo want to find? Leo wants to find new friends. How does Leo feel when he sees the other kids? Leo feels sad and shy. Who comes to Leo? A boy comes to Leo. What is the boy's name? The boy's name is Sam. Does Leo want to play with Sam? Yes, Leo wants to play with Sam. What do Leo and Sam play with? They play with a red ball. Does Leo smile at the end? Yes, Leo smiles at the end. How does Leo feel at the end? Leo feels happy at the end. Does Leo have a new friend now? Yes, now Leo has a new friend. Good job. Learning English with short stories is a great way to learn step by step. When you listen to stories, you learn new words, sentences, and real English. You don't need to worry about mistakes. Just listen, understand, and enjoy the story. Thank you for watching. See you in the next story.